got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Right here. Okay. I easy close. Yeah. What you running in here, man? You what? What you running in here?
I got 4 18-inch GP Undertakers, 8 Def Fonts, 8 8K 4Ks, 2 Def Fonts 180.4s, 2 Def Fonts 220.4s, all Sylvester, Arnold, and SQL. Everything Def Font speakers besides these subs. These are GP Car Audio's flagship subs.
Are they coming back again?
Yes, the V2s are coming. We're waiting to get some motors in so we get those first subs in.
Yeah.
And like, I can't wait because these are like unicorns right now.
I seen them,
like,
yeah.
These are like the end. But here, let me play a little something for you. Let me get back to that. I think I can play them again before they start stinking a little too much. Okay.
Yeah.
That gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.